And do a lot of Spanish-speaking people from the Caribbean come over to your island?
Sure, they live up there.
I have a question for you. Are you able to love two different places, two different homelands? Is there anything strange about that? Is it possible?
Well, I love my country.
Is that a country, really?
Sure. It's country. I love my country.
It seems like that's too small to be a country.
No, man. No. You have smaller than that.
Really?
Sure. You have 28, 30, 33.
Okay, so you love the island, your country, Antigua.
Yep.
And you love America?
Well, I like America. I love my island. You know, but I love my island.
So how do you feel about, you come to a new country? I ask people this question. People have different answers for this question.
Okay. That's
you're a citizen here, right?
Yeah.
So do you don't describe your feeling as you love the country. After all, I'm going to tell you something.
Yeah.
There are lots of people, I don't care what color they are,
yes.
There are a lot of people who would say they don't love the country because they're so frustrated about so many things. I mean, even lots of white people, they're just mad because life for them hasn't worked out so great in this country, for them. So, they wouldn't talk about loving the country, but, a lot of people come over here, they say they are so glad to have all the freedoms and all the modern things.
Certain places you have the freedom, like more. I can't think because you have to go more in the suburb area to be peace and quiet. See, like here, around here, peace and quiet. I live in New York for all these years. I just come here last year, New York. I work in New York. As I was telling people, in New York, every day I wake up and I walk, I got to touch somebody. I got to touch somebody in the whole day if I'm walking. But
you mean you rub your shoulders? You just bump into people and you
bump into people. But in Indianapolis, I could walk a whole week.
So you like having some space, just the fact that you can walk around without being in a crowd.
Right.
Well, I don't think I've heard too many people in New York City talking about how they just love being all crammed in like that either. Although a lot of people love the city.
Up there, man, the neighbor is about from here to there, from here in New York. See, my neighbor is all around here, right? And one day, right?
Yeah.
In New York here, just like that.
Everybody's jam-packed.
Jam-packed.
So, are you going to spend the rest of your years here, or do you think you'll ever move back to the island?
No.
How come?
I think I enjoy myself. It's split between New York, between my island and here, but I prefer here right now.
You used to be married?
Used to? Married? Yeah.
Is your wife on the island? Or your ex-wife, is she on the island?
No, she's in New York.
Oh, in New York. Okay. Maybe that partly explains why you're not in New York anymore.
Well, that's part of it.
Do people ever eat your food and say, this is pretty strange looking stuff, pretty strange tasting? Are people afraid of your food? I think a lot of people would be.
No, they're not afraid of my food, man. They come back for more.
Well, I'm sure they would if they were brave enough to taste it, but it's not the kind of thing people in the United States are used to eating.
Eat it one time, you come back again.
As someone from Antigua, did you run into people being prejudiced about you being from there for any reason at all? Because you have a strong accent.
Well, they talk about it. Oh, you come from the island. You're the island boy. I said, no problem. All of us, we have the same flesh and blood. It don't bother me. As long as you don't put your hand in me, that's it. Because I work with a lot of Italian. A lot of Canadian, like the Jews, German, Sicilian, and they teach me a lot of things. A lot of things. They teach me a lot of things.
So you didn't have any problem.
No
You're
problem.
not griping about anybody.
Nobody. They come to my house. Italian come to my house and eat. I go to their house and eat. We go to party together.
Do they eat your scary food?
They want more.
How much longer before that food's going to be where you can dip it out where people can see it?
It's finished right now.
Oh, okay. I thought if we could get some pictures of it, then
Yeah.
I mean,
Sure, I gotta get my brother his food now, so it make me. I go.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. This is the one with the head. I want to get it. Remember the one with the head?
oh, the fish head?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay.
That's right. I forgot. You wanted those fish heads left on there.
Yeah. Okay. The fish right here, right?
Well, it looks pretty good when it's covered up.
This is the pumpkin. It boiled too long. This is the banana. This is the edo.
Your brother must have a pretty big appetite.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the sauce.
What's in the sauce?
Tomato, onion, garlic, tomato sauce.
You think the students would like this?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna take that down to my brother now, you know?
Pardon me?
I'm gonna take it down to my brother right now.
Okay. Alrighty.
Go away, son. Can I pick it up?
Are they speaking English?
Sure.
They are.
Yeah,